The almond, a symbol of hope and new beginnings, boasts a history as rich and nuanced as its flavor. Its journey began thousands of years ago in the wild, craggy landscapes of Southwest Asia. Prized by ancient civilizations, almonds were enjoyed not only for their taste, but also for their versatility. Early farmers recognized the almond's potential and began cultivating it. The almond tree, with its delicate blossoms and resilient nature, thrived in the warm, dry climates of the Mediterranean region. From there, it embarked on a journey alongside traders and explorers, reaching new lands and captivating palates across the globe. The almond's arrival in California, now the world's leading producer, marked a turning point in its story. The state's Mediterranean-like climate proved ideal for almond cultivation, and innovation flourished. Today, California's almond orchards stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of this ancient nut. The almond tree, though adaptable, thrives in specific conditions that mirror its Mediterranean origins. Warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters are essential for optimal growth and nut production. These conditions allow the tree to flourish during the growing season while providing a necessary period of dormancy during the cooler months. Well-drained soil is crucial, as almond trees are susceptible to root rot in waterlogged conditions. They prefer deep, fertile soils that provide ample nutrients. Additionally, almond trees require a significant amount of sunlight to produce a bountiful crop. Orchards are carefully planned to maximize sun exposure for each tree. These specific climatic and soil requirements highlight the delicate balance necessary for successful almond cultivation. Farmers carefully monitor these factors, employing sustainable practices to ensure the health of their orchards and the consistent production of high-quality almonds. The almond's journey from blossom to nut relies on a crucial partnership: its relationship with bees. These buzzing pollinators play a vital role in the almond's life cycle, facilitating the fertilization process that leads to nut development. As almond trees blossom in late winter or early spring, they depend on bees to transfer pollen from one flower to another. This cross-pollination is essential for fertilization and the development of the almond fruit, which contains the prized nut. The almond industry's reliance on bees has brought increased attention to the importance of pollinator health. Almond growers are actively involved in supporting bee populations through research, habitat conservation, and responsible pesticide use. This symbiotic relationship underscores the interconnectedness of nature and the crucial role bees play in our food system. Once the almond trees have blossomed and borne fruit, the orchard transforms into a scene of bustling activity as harvest season arrives. Gone are the days of hand-picking almonds. Modern technology has revolutionized the process, making it both efficient and impressive to witness. Large mechanical shakers are employed to gently vibrate the almond trees, causing the mature nuts to fall onto nets spread beneath the branches. These shakers are carefully maneuvered through the orchard rows, ensuring that all the ripe almonds are collected. The fallen almonds are then swept into rows and allowed to dry naturally in the orchard sun. This drying process is crucial for reducing moisture content and preventing spoilage during storage. Once sufficiently dried, the almonds are gathered and transported to processing facilities for the next stage of their journey. Section 5, From Orchard to You. The almond's transformation journey. Upon arriving at the processing facility, the almonds embark on a multi-step transformation from orchard fresh to market ready. This meticulous process ensures that only the highest quality almonds reach consumers. The first step involves removing the hulls, the outer protective layers that surround the almond shells. Next, the almonds are sorted and graded based on size, appearance, and quality. This ensures that each batch meets specific industry standards. Further processing steps may include pasteurization, roasting, slicing, or dicing, depending on the intended use of the almonds. Finally, the almonds are packaged and shipped to various destinations, ready to be enjoyed in countless ways. Section 6. The almond's footprint, balancing production and sustainability. The almond industry, like many agricultural sectors, faces scrutiny regarding its environmental impact. Water usage, in particular, has been a focal point of concern, especially in drought-prone California. Almond growers have responded to these concerns by implementing sustainable practices aimed at reducing water consumption and minimizing their environmental footprint. These practices include using water-efficient irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots of the trees. Additionally, almond growers are exploring alternative farming methods, such as planting drought-tolerant almond varieties and using cover crops to improve soil health and water retention. The industry is committed to finding innovative solutions that balance the demand for almonds with the need for environmental stewardship. Section 7. Beyond the shell, the many faces of the almond. The almond's journey culminates in its remarkable versatility, finding its way into a diverse array of culinary creations and products. From sweet to savory, crunchy to creamy, the almond's adaptable nature knows no bounds. Whole almonds, enjoyed as a healthy snack or incorporated into trail mixes, offer a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrition. Almond flour, a gluten-free alternative to wheat flour, has gained popularity in baking, adding a delicate nutty flavor to cakes, cookies, and bread. Almond milk, a plant-based milk alternative, has become a staple in many households, enjoyed on its own in smoothies or as a dairy-free substitute in recipes. Almond butter, a creamy and nutrient-rich spread, provides a satisfying alternative to peanut butter. Section 8. A nutritional powerhouse, the almond's health halo. Beyond their culinary versatility, almonds boast an impressive nutritional profile, earning them a well-deserved reputation as a health food. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, almonds offer a wide range of health benefits. Almonds are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes feelings of fullness. Additionally, almonds provide a plant-based source of protein, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. The almond's nutrient density extends to its vitamin and mineral content. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage, and magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 bodily processes. Section 9. The almond's future challenges and opportunities. The almond industry, while thriving, faces ongoing challenges and opportunities as it navigates a changing world. Climate change, water scarcity, and evolving consumer preferences present both obstacles and incentives for innovation. Almond growers are at the forefront of developing sustainable farming practices that address these challenges. Precision agriculture, which utilizes technology to optimize resource use and monitor crop health, is becoming increasingly prevalent in almond orchards. Consumer demand for transparency and ethical sourcing is also shaping the industry. Almond growers are responding by implementing certifications and programs that promote fair labor practices, environmental stewardship, and product traceability. Section 10. A toast to the almond, a versatile and beloved nut. From its ancient origins to its modern-day ubiquity, the almond has captivated taste buds and nourished generations. Its journey from farm to table is a testament to human ingenuity, the delicate balance of nature, and the enduring appeal of this versatile nut. As we savor the nutty goodness of almonds in all their forms, let us appreciate the intricate web of connections that bring this beloved nut to our tables. From the dedicated farmers who cultivate the orchards to the buzzing bees that pollinate the blossoms, the almond story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our food system and the importance of sustainable practices for a delicious and nourishing future.